Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Google Pixel 6a. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that video will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings for, so just scroll on here, scroll on a second time, and then you will have here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point System, and it has a white circle with an eye in it. Tap on it. Now we will need the first point, Languages and Input. Tap on the first point right now. And after again on the first point, Languages. Okay, you are having also a list here like me. And in case if your language is here part of that list, like in my case here Deutsch from Deutschland, so German it means, then just go here on the two bars at the end, hold them, put your language on top, leave the finger, and now the phone is in your language. In my case, German. No? Okay, let me put it back to English, because I want to show you what you should do if your language is not part of that list. For that we will need the plus symbol right now to add a language. And now you can choose the language you want to have. There are many opportunities. Let's keep going on maybe here for the video again with English. They can follow it better. And the second step is to choose your local dialect. What's also cool. What we take? Maybe let's take the dialect from Ghana. Okay, now English with the dialect of Ghana is here now part of our list. And as we have learned, we just need the two bars here at the end. Hold your finger on it, put your language on top, leave your finger, and now the phone is in English with the dialect of Ghana. Also, or your language. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.